Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Raihan Sensini. Number NPM Q4411081. Class of MNJ24C. In this video, I will convey material about how to post general journal to Ledger. The recording of company transaction carried out in the general journal need to be transferred to the ledger. This ledger is a collection of accounts that are interconnected and from a single unit. The process of transferring data from the journal to the ledger is called posting. The ledger becomes the last accounting record and is called the book of final entry. How to post how to post general journal to the ledger consists of three main steps. The first step is a record the dates of the transaction and the amount to be debit or credit to the approach account. The second step is to file in the reference columns in the ledger with the journal page number. The three steps in how to post a general journal to the next ledger is to file in the reference columns in the journal with the approachable account number in the ledger. Recording in the ledger is done by moving the debit columns of the journal to the debit side of the ledger, as well as the credit columns of the journal to the credit side of the ledger. Form of General Journal and Ledger. General Journal contains record of transactions made for several types of account in one table, while the ledger contains a table of transaction record made by type of account. Each transaction record in the general journal becomes a reference source of recording in the ledger. The form of a general journal is a table consisting of dates, description, ref, debit, and credit columns. Filling in the date, description, credit, and debit columns in the general journal is based on evidence of the transaction carried out in the business activity of a company. Meanwhile, filling in the reference columns is adjusted to the ledger, which can also be a record that the amount in the journal has been transferred to the ledger. Recording to the general journal is carried out for each transaction evidence that follows the rules for preparing the journal. The ledger has several forms of account that can be used, namely the from account, 2 columns, 3 columns, single balance, and 4 column or double balance. The four from of the account have difference in column, where the debit columns is always on the left and the credit columns is on the right. Rules for posting general journal to ledger. How to post general journal to the ledger is done by energizing transaction based on the same type of account. There are 5 types of account used in how to post general journal to the ledger, namely group of assets, liabilities, capital, income, and expense. Each account use is coded with the aim of being easy identity. Account coding can use number, letters, or a combination of number and letters. The account code in the ledger statement fields in the reference column in the general journal. The code use usually uses prefixing 1 for asset, prefixing 2 for liabilities, and prefixing 3 for equity or owner's capital. Meanwhile, the codes that are usually used for income and expense have prefix 4 and 5 respectively. How to post general journal? To the ledger consists of several steps. The stage in the process of transferring from the general journal to ledger or posting are carried out as follows. Number one, the journal date is the transferred to the ledger date column. Number two, how journal is a transferred to the ref column of the ledger by writing the previous due. For example, due 1, 1 means that the ledger posting comes from the general journal page 1. Number 3, the amount in the journal is transferred to the ledger according to the account concerned. Number 4, the debit amount of the journal is placed in the debit ledger and the credit amount of the journal is placed in the credit ledger. Number 5, the ref columns of the journal is filled in with the ledger account code number used. Identification of account types in general journal. There are several types of accounts contained in the general journal from the Adidaya Company. Transaction record. The type of account considered the general journal include the following account. Number 1, cash. Number 2, rent expense. Number 3, office equipment. Number 4, advers- advertising expense. Number 5, office equipment and trade receivable and sovereign income, account payable, official traveling expense, telephone expense, trade receivables, salary expense, electricity and water expense, and owner profit. So that is the ledger that will be different type of account. The types of account in the general journal of Adidaya Company can be grouped based on as liability, capital, income, and expense account group as follow. Current asset, cash, account receivable, trade receivable. B, fixed asset, building rents, office equipment, office supplies. C, liabilities, trade payables, capitals, Mr. Savils. D, capitals and private. E, income service. F, expense, advertisement, business trips, telephone, salary, electricity, and water. As the account in the ledger, the general journal posting method. The ledger is in the form of the table consisting of that description, reference, debit, credit, and balance column. Thank you.